guys, what's up? It's me, Hamshakas here. Welcome back to another video, and today I am here with Cameron again, and we are going to play some Drawasaurus. I've never really done a video on this before, so this is my first. I have played this before, but this is my first time making a video. So let me join this. And what is this, Cameron? Well, we haven't started. Why is your name Drawasaurus?
Drawing.
Oh no, you're drawing.
Do you know what to do? I've played Drawasaurus before, but yeah, we have played together before.
Yeah. Oh wait, I know what this is. Donut. What? So you wanna die. What is this? What are you
He's
drawing?
looking into it.
What's he looking into? Oh, is it a... Do you hear me typing?
Kind of.
Oh. I don't know what it is. What is this? What are you drawing? What is he looking into? Wait, what? What is that?
It's this.
Oh, that's Okay, got it. Okay, my turn. My turn to
Oh my
choose.
gosh.
You should draw like a reflection in there. That would've been easier. Okay, so this thing is what you don't have.
I can't even understand it, but can you draw?
Yeah, I am drawing. No. So this is what you don't have.
You hear me typing?
That sounds so weird when I hear you typing.
Wait.
It's not a type of food. It's not fluffy, by the way. Let's say these are nerves.
Is it this?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what you don't have, a brain.
What?
You still do. It's around 1 out of 3.
I got a cool one. Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to think. Okay, it's yellow. It's
And there's
Yes.
what is it? Like no.
undo.
I meant,
Undo.
yeah.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. Then let's make this bigger. Like that. There's like this.
What are you saying? What are you drawing?
And then there's like this. What the frick? Then there's that.
Give me a hint.
There's that. And then then there's the oh shit. I was trying so hard and I failed so bad. What the frick is that? Okay, it's done. Oh, not a gun.
Don't worry, I'll make it more like what it is.
Oh, I know what it is. Oh, I wasn't even typing.
There you go.
Okay.
I want to finish it. There you go. That's better. Does he want to die? Die! It's high. Wait.
I've got the hardest one that you'll never get. Ever. Oh!
By the way, I play this a lot, so I know some of them.
This is gonna give it away.
Oh. Oh, this is... Could have colored it. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. Crap. I messed up.
What the frick?
Okay, just imagine that yellow is a blue, okay? Like, that is the sky.
How does it feel? Oh, how does it feel when the fill hurts you?
What?
The fill up thing. I hate it. It hurted.
The what?
Nothing. Look it up.
Ah! I hate that!
Ow.
What is this person doing? What is this person doing? These are clouds. No! Skydiving. Dead.
That was skydiving?
Yeah! And I won. Haha! Okay, let's do another game.
Trying to put a parachute?
No! Because he's skydiving, so he's gonna die. Alright, let's do one more round. We're gonna do one more round. Let's go.
I got this. This one is something.
You know you spelled Drawasaurus wrong. Oh, never mind. I thought you did. I was like, what? Did he? Cause I'm gonna die. Everybody wants a muffin. Oh, I know what this is. What is this? Is this a type of bug? Not speaking.
Oh, what?
Is this a type of bug?
When I do this, you're gonna know what it is.
Oh.
No, that's not the
Looks like a turd. Oh, yes! Don't guess it. I know you know it. Did you just... This is so easy. This is so funny. Why would I say yes? That's just... There you go. It's easy.
What? How? Oh my god, I should have got 50 for that. What's up, Chris?
Shush.
I'm pretty sure you do not get idiot.
So.
You're gonna love this.
Oh shoot.
This is so funny. You're gonna.
So you just start drawing the ears. I'm like, okay. Okay, this is going to be fun. So.
Yeah, do you see why you would have lost?
Yeah. Because you were guessing that over and over again.
Right.
Aw, frick you too.
I'm hanging up and never talking to you again.
No! I need some content!
Fuck you.
Okay, last round.
I know.
Make it hard. Make it hard.
You're not gonna get this. I know it.
Like- Okay.
This is actually it's actually something that you will be able to get.
I can't even see what you're writing. You are the most confusing person. What is that? It says something plus something. Ron? What does it say? Oh. Oh. Wait, I put this. Can.
What the frick is can? I've never heard that word before. Oh, because of the row. No.
Yes.
A row is one of those things.
Oh, I know what this is. Okay, this one's easy. This one's pretty easy. Oh crap. Would you stop guessing and let me fucking draw?
What's up?
There you go. Alright, I guess we can't. I guess that's it for today. So.
Wanna try to get people?
What?
Wanna try to get people?
Well. Wait. Pause it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!